In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on temporary chat in ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted to ask something quickly without adding another thread to your conversation list, this is exactly what you need. Temporary chat is a lightweight mode designed for one-off prompts or quick experiments, so your main chat history stays clean and focused. Here's how to do it. Once you're in ChatGPT, bring your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Up there, you'll see a simple outline chat bubble icon. It looks like a small speech balloon, and it's dedicated to temporary chat. Click that icon, and you're done. The mode turns on immediately. You'll know it worked because you'll see a clear visual cue that temporary chat is active. Depending on your layout, that might be a small label, a subtle banner, or a distinct indicator near the top of the conversation. From this point forward, you can type naturally as you normally would. The difference is that this conversation won't add clutter to your ongoing list of chats. Think of it as a scratch pad, perfect for drafting a single prompt, getting a quick answer, or testing an idea, and then moving on. A few tips to make the most of it. If you plan to keep anything you generate in temporary chat, like a prompt, a snippet of code, or a checklist, copy it somewhere safe before you leave the conversation, since this mode is designed to be ephemeral. Temporary chat won't change or remove any of your existing conversations. It only affects the current session you're in after you click that outline bubble. And because it's session-based, you'll typically need to enable it again next time you want to use it. Interface elements can shift slightly depending on your screen size or platform. On some displays, icons in the top bar can be compacted. Look carefully for the speech bubble outline, and hover your mouse if you're on desktop to confirm its label. Availability and appearance may vary a bit depending on your device or app version, so if you don't see the icon right away, that can be normal. That's all there is to it. Go to the top right, find the outline chat bubble, click it, and you're in temporary chat. It's a small change that can make your workflow tidier, especially when you just need quick answers without piling up conversations. Give it a try the next time you want a clean, no commitment space to chat.